Before attending the program, my stage fear was very, very high. Even in the team meeting, I could not speak well. But right now, after the program, I'm able to speak very well.
Ready for the game? Say hi! Hi! This is 50% only. This is 100%. Say, how many of you ready for the game? Say hi! Hi! Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Ball Pyramid. Any winner wins this game, they're gonna get 500 points.
Wherever you are and wherever you want to be, the distance, the bridge is communication. Welcome to Communication Breakthrough.
Social media is good for live updates from top IRs. Perfection is killer and experience is success.
Don't give them an opportunity to engage. நீங்க இப்போ டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணல. We will teach you that later. இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? Just a presentation பண்றீங்க. Doors will open if you are confident. You are courageous.
In life, friends, life was telling to me that practice was more important than perfection.
I have come all along from Madurai to learn with the superb humans, and I found in these 3 days such a great learning.
Communication is not about what you say. It's about how you say.
இப்போ சோஷியல் மீடியா யூஸ் பண்றது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உலகத்துல இருக்க எல்லாருமே யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. அதை
கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ டவுன் பண்ணலாம். See, yeah, I understand. The thing is, தமிழ்னால little faster பேசிட்டீங்க.
You know which of the recent incident reignited the labor union movement in Tamil Nadu?
You can be very, very competent, but if you lack confidence and if you lack courage, what's the use? Just roll over.
In this story, there are two friends living in a village. Person A and person B.
Person A have YouTube channel, person B also YouTube channel.
The nail in the horse's shoe loosened up little bit, and the spy said, "We have time. I'll fix it later."
Confidence is the number one currency that you can have today.
How many are ready for the game? Say I!
Another participant from our academy, he joined our academy almost 2 months back, and he has been learning communication. We have 3 days public speaking workshop. Plus, we have 31 days of practice where they come, learn etiquettes, manners, எப்படி from basically handshake ல இருந்து interview எப்படி face பண்றது. He is helping his father in his own business, wanted to learn how to communicate with people. Earlier his father will say வருமா பேசவே மாட்டான். When any client comes, he will go and sit in the side. இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கு?
இப்போ வந்து எல்லாரும் பேசுறேன். இப்போ clients நான் தான் handle பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Teachers, this is his first ever performance. Communication can make you or even break you. The choice is yours.
Everybody solve the person? Yes. My topic is social media is good or bad.
Once upon a time, in a beautiful village.
What is life? Life is a beautiful journey between birth to death.
This story is about a miser. Miser is who himself being a selfish.
Person A decided to come up with a strategy that I make a perfect pot in 5 hours. India is shining.
Wonderful.
India is shining.
Wonderful. Nice.
Yes.
We teach the art and science of communication in a very unique way. We use games, activities and exercises to teach you the art and science of communication.
Communication is the blessing of human being. Why?
Two people, A and B, they both planned to go for a pottery workshop. And they went to the pottery workshop and they both had different mindsets.
And time. Please don't touch your puzzles. If anybody seen touching the puzzle will get disqualified. The journey was really amazing. It was playful. It was fun. I learned everything through games, activities and exercises. A big shout out to my amazing coaches, Sachin Coach, Coach. They helped me grow both personally and professionally. And one of my biggest moments was performing in front of 75 teachers. And I have never been on stage. And this time I practiced for 4 days straight. And on the day of my performance, I performed really great.
Learn to express to impress people quickly at Communication Breakthrough.
எனக்கு அசெஞ்சர்ல வேலை கிடைச்சிருக்கு. ஆனா எனக்கு வந்து கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டே இல்ல. அந்த கம்யூனிகேஷன் பிரேக் த்ரூ பண்ணணும். அதுக்காக இந்த சூப்பர் ஹியூமன்ஸ்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த கோர்ஸ்க்கு வந்தேன். இங்க சூப்பரா சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க. இங்க எல்லாமே கேம்ஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் தான் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. நான் நிறைய விஷயம் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டேன். நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நினைச்சேன் இந்த கேம்ஸ் வச்சு என்ன பண்ண முடியும், என்ன கத்துக்க முடியும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஆனா அதுல இருந்து ஒரு விஷயமா நான் கத்துக்கிட்டேன். நிறைய ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, நமக்கு நிறைய பேச சொல்லுவாங்க, நம்மளே ட்ரெயின் பண்ணுவாங்க, நம்மள வந்து discourage பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, எல்லாரும் encourage பண்ணுவாங்க.
In Communication Breakthrough, you will learn the science of communication. That is body language, tonality and also the words.
This part is the mother part of T puzzle and you should place it in center with 45-degree angle.
Social media, good or bad? All the people using social media.
The number one skill that you can learn today is how to influence and pursue people quickly. The number one purpose of communication is able to convince people And if you learn that, life is going to be easy, whether personally or professionally.
I did my communication breakthrough for 3 days. After that, for the first time, I did my presentation on a stage. That too, I alone did it. And it was only 5 minutes presentation. First, I was very nervous, but I somehow ended it. And after getting down, I was not expecting some strangers from the audience came and told me personally that it was good. So it was a very surreal moment. First time ever it had happened.
Perfection is not needed in life. What we are practicing, that is the most important.
Change your thoughts and speak loudly and clearly.
Everybody, please keep your puzzles aside and don't touch them.
Social media will be we can make it as good answer bad.
And mic and like this. Okay. You have a loose mic that you continue to have.
So before the post, I initially had a lot of anxiety, nervousness as well. I was not very much good at presentations, developed a lot of stage fear. But post the program, I can confidently tell that I am good at presentations now, and I got rid of whatever stage fear and whatever beliefs that I had.
Bold and confident, just like this beautiful flower, standing out of everything. You want to stand out? Communication breakthrough is just for you.
இப்பெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா மைக் ஹோல்டிங் அது ப்ராப்பரா இல்ல அது ஹோல்ட் ஆகல because that shows some nervousness. So ஏனா எப்படி ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா you were holding like this.
Before the program I was very skeptical about what words to use and I had a stage fear. After this program has given me a lot of confidence.
Before joining Superhumans, my confidence level on communication was very average. I can give it to 4 to 5 out of 10. After attending this communication breakthrough program, my confidence level has risen up to 9.
And this is a life-changing experience for me. Is that before the session, I had totally such a situation where my communication lagged and I feel demotivated everywhere. And after that program, I have changed myself a lot by going to stages more. I would like to grab opportunities more and more to come to the stage.
Everyone say hi! Everyone please bring the arm forward. Coach, please give me the answer.
Whenever you deliver your point, have a tonality in your.
He keep on practicing. Action changes everything. Perfection is a killer and the action is a winner.
By the show of hands, how many of you ready for a game? Say aye! Come on teachers, more energy. How many of you ready for a game? Say aye!
If you want to impact, influence and increase your income, join Communication Breakthrough.
What's the name of the game? The objective of this game is you will be given 2 pieces. In that 2 pieces, you have to build a pyramid.
Social media is good or bad? Social media is here, how you use it. Social media is good or bad?
So do like this. Social media, give me this. Social media, good or bad?
Social media is good or bad?
Nice.
How many of you ready for the game? Say aye.
Aye. Welcome to game time.
The name of the game is ball pyramid.
What is the name of the game?
What is the name of the game? So objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate both the names.
You all know the artificial intelligence currently is all.
First thing is your knee level and your shoulder level has to be straight.
Social media is not good.
When you look for feedback from the crowd and the crowd doesn't give, your speech doesn't take off. You should not hold like this, not 45 degrees. It should cover your mouth.
Everybody is being updated because of the social media.
Yeah, stand. Keep your legs stand. Yes, nice. Science journey and topic India in the 21st century. Sachin did really well and help you out. Thank you.
Everyone, the topic I have chosen is benefits of.
Learn how to express to impress people. Quickly add communication breakthrough.
வாய் விட்டு சிரித்தால் நோய் விட்டு போகும்.
First thing is the way he stand, the way he hold the mic was, everything was great. எல்லாமே நல்லா இருந்துச்சு.
Today and yesterday, the both day actually my age also reduced around 10 years.
Communication Breakthrough is a 3-day workshop. The day one is called as Day of Fun, where we use games, activities and exercises to teach you art and science of communication. Day 2 is all about training. You go on the stage 6 times and your one-on-one coach will help you to become much more confident, will teach you the choice of right words, body language, tonality and become confident on the stage. Day 3 is the day of becoming free. It's the day of transformation where you get rid of fear forever. You break all your fears, all your limitations and become a powerful presenter and a confident communicator. Ready to learn communication? Join Communication Breakthrough. What are you waiting for? Call this number now. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games. Activities and exercises. Teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life.